Hello and welcome to this lecture, recap of section 5. In this section, you learned about the transactional model of business in a clear and concise manner. We learned that according to the transactional model of business, a good business is one where the cumulative sum of outbound transactions remains significantly higher than the sum of operational costs, the cost of inbound transactions, and other expenses for longer periods of time. This means that your business is sustainable and competitive. We will dissect and thoroughly understand the 8 key dimensions in section 7. And in the next section, we will provide an overview of the 8 key dimensions so that they are fresh in your memory. Optimizing your business along these 8 key dimensions makes it operationally efficient, sustainable, and most of all, scalable. In other words, it gets transformed into a value-centric cash flow machine. I hope that you found the information in this section interesting. Let's proceed to the next section and keep on learning. Thank you very much for your time.